Presenting the Pump Project. Pump Project applies energy monitoring tools and advanced machine learning models to analyze the patterns in electrical loads of machinery equipment and detect deviations from normal operation. Pump Project is demonstrated in a food processing plant. The pilot partner is Helios Bakery, while the tech partners are Plegma Labs and Vrump. Pump combines various technologies towards energy efficiency, optimal process and maintenance planning, health monitoring and equipment fault predictions in order to increase the plant's circularity. Pump utilizes several KYKLOS 4.0 components, such as Lifecycle Assessment Tool, Decision Support System, Maintenance Scheduler, KYKLOS Backend and PLM. Pump offers real-time energy consumption, maintenance planning optimization, alerts, lifecycle assessment, equipment operation states via disaggregation, equipment health monitoring and energy efficiency tips. The pump experiment has indirectly received funding from European Union's Horizon 2020 Research and Innovation Action Program via the KYKLOS 4.0 Open Call No. 2 issued and executed under KYKLOS 4.0. Visit our website www.pumpproject.eu.